Hi YouTube, it's Alicia4097 coming to give you a wig review on the wig I'm rocking on my head now. This wig is called Swami and it's by the brand Freetress Equal. And I have the wig card here with me so you can see it. She is in the color 1 and she has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. She is a very snug fit. So if you're one of my ladies with larger heads, this is gonna be a pretty snug fit for you. She doesn't come with any baby hairs or anything, so I just have mine here, just a few out, and the hairline is pretty good in my opinion. Actually, like if you're a person who likes to glue your wigs down, I feel like she should be okay. The wig is coming off like really shiny right now because of my lighting, and she was shiny out of the bag, but I added powder to her to kind of dull down some of that shine. And I also plucked the part a little bit. Here's the parting. I plucked it just a little bit, like mainly right up in here because it was a little tight. Added my powder and that was it. I also use my flat iron to bump the ends inward because the way it was styled originally, it was kind of flipping outward and I didn't really like that look. So that could be due to the length and my height. I am 5'11", so this wig may be like a little bit longer on some of you ladies who's shorter than I am. So keep that in mind. I don't have any comments about this wig so far. She did shed out of the package, and it probably was from me cutting the lace. Haven't got any tangles really, and I don't think she will. I feel like this wig is gonna hold up really well. And if you're looking for something like this with baby hairs, there's a wig called Tiara by Sensational, and she's very similar to this wig, like almost same style. Only difference is she does have baby hairs around the perimeter, and I actually did that, installed that wig for one of my friends earlier today, and it was really pretty. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this wig. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. If you're not following my IG, go ahead and do that. I upload a lot more pictures of wigs on there, so sometimes there may be a picture before the review, so that's a great place to stay updated. And I'll leave the information down below, but it is tall_beauty with 2 Y's. And always thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not done that already. Thank you.